Hello dear students, welcome to our mathematics session. So from today we will be starting a whole new chapter that is called fractions. Okay, so let's start. First let us know what is a whole number. Do you know what is a whole number? All the numbers you know like 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 30, 67, these all numbers are called whole number. Okay, now let us know what is a fractional number. Before I say what is a fractional number, let me give you some example. Look at the board. I am drawing a strip. Now I am dividing this strip in some parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? So this strip is divided in 7 parts. Now I have told you from these 7 parts take only 3. Right? So you are taking 3 of the 7 parts. So this is written like this, 3 by 7. It is also called as 3/7. 3/7. So this is a fraction or a fractional number. Clear? That means from these 7 parts you are taking only 1, 2, 3. That means these 3 parts. So this is called 1, 2, 3. You are taking only this part. So this is called a fraction. That means you are taking some portion of a whole thing. That means the whole thing was 7 parts. You are taking only 3 parts of them. So 3 by 7 is a fraction. Another example is 2 by 5. That means you are taking from 5 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are taking only these 2 parts. This is called 2 by 5 or 2/5. Okay, so let's continue. I am writing some examples of fractional number. This is 1 by 2. This is called 1/2. Okay. 1 by 3. This is called 1/3. Okay. 1 by 4. This is called 1/4. 2 by 3. This is called as 2/3. 3 by 7. This is called as 3/7. Clear? So these are some examples of fractional numbers. Now I am showing you some diagrams. Look at the board. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means there are 10 circles here. Right? But look very carefully. Only this 1, 2, 3. That means these 3 circles are shaded. Right? 3 circles are shaded. So we can say 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10 circles are shaded. This is written like this, 3 by 10. Right? So 3 by 10 is a fraction. We will say it 3/10. So 3/10 is the fraction we have generated from this diagram. Let us take another diagram. Look at this diagram. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means there are 18 triangles here. Okay. So out of these 18 triangles, you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means these 11 triangles are shaded. Right? That means 11 by 18 or 11 out of 18 circles triangles are shaded. So the fraction from this diagram is 11 by 18 or 11/18. Clear? Okay. Now let us know what is a numerator and a denominator in a fraction. You can see in all of these fractions there are 2 numbers. Like in this fraction 3 by 5, 3 is one number and 5 is another number. This is called 3/5. So the above one, that means the upper one, is called a numerator. So 3 is the numerator and the lower one is called a denominator. Clear? That means in 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. Clear? Look at the spelling very carefully, numerator and denominator. In 5 by 7, 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Clear? Okay. Now let us know what is a like fraction and what is an unlike fraction. Look at the board. I am writing three fractions: 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. You can identify easily in all of these three fractions the denominator is same, that means 8, 8, 8. These type of fractions are called as like fractions. Clear? That means the fractions which consists of same type of or the same denominator are called like fractions. Okay. Likewise, what are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominators are not same, like 3 by 7, 1 by 5, 2 by 17. You can see in these three fractions there are three different denominators. Here 7, here 5, here 17. So the fractions which do not have same denominator are called unlike fractions. Okay. Now we will learn some new things which are called proper, improper and mixed fractions. Let us know what is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. The type of fraction where the numerator like 3 and the denominator is 5. So you can see in this fraction 3 is smaller than 5. This type of fractions where the numerator is smaller than the denominator, that means numerator will be smaller than the denominator. These type of fractions will be called as proper fractions. Some other examples are 1 by 6, 3 by 17, 4 by 7. You can see in all of these fractions the denominator is larger than the numerator. Okay, so these type of fractions are called proper fractions. Now what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is that one where I am giving you an example first. 5 by 3. You can see 5 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator, right? So where numerator will be larger than the denominator, these type of fractions will be called as improper fractions. I am giving you some more examples. 7 by 4, 16 by 5, 13 by 6. These fractions, you can see numerator is larger than denominator. Clear? So the type of fractions which consists a numerator which is larger than the denominator are called improper fractions. This is also an improper fraction. 7 by 7. You can see here numerator and denominator are same. This is also an improper fraction. Okay. Now what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a mixture of a whole number plus a fractional number. Clear? That means there will be two parts of this mixed fraction. Suppose the whole number is 3 and the fractional number is 2 by 5. So this will consist 3 whole 2 by 5. We will write it like this. This is an example of mixed fraction. Some other example: 5 whole 1 by 7, 7 whole 2 by 3, 89 whole 3 by 5. So these are all mixed fractions. Okay. So that is it for today. From here we will continue in the next class. Thank you.